Hello, everyone. This is Todd DeFrancesco with H Perkins. Wanted to show you how to use our new website. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create an account. And for those coming over from the new site, you will have to create a new account, but it will be tied to your old customer number, especially those who have been with us, for years. So you can use your same info from last time, but you do have to create an account. So we could just do a test here. Then you could do your email. We'll go TBD, Gmail, and then just create a password like that. Test one. And this is where you can subscribe, where you're going to be able to get email updates with promo codes and company information. So we'll submit that. And now when you go to my account tab, you'll see that I have an account here. And we separated everything on the site by category. So if you go to natural strand cane, these are all category boxes. So you can go to strand cane, see there's 500-foot coils, full 1,000-foot coils. And this is what they start at, $14.99, $35.99. We're working on making it so it'll show, $14.99 to, whatever the most expensive one is. So it's a range, because that's the first one here. And as you click, you'll see the different variations. So if you need 2mm superfine, that's $23.99. We put a nice little chart here. And then we put all the product details on one page, so you don't have to keep clicking in and out of it. You can make all your side-by-side comparisons, which is really nice. Or click through by picture, and you'll see that it's changing the price as well. So we could just add that to cart, either with this and for the quantity, or you could type it in. So you need 10. Add that to the cart, and it's right there. If we want to adjust it here, just make it 2. You click update, and it'll change the price right there. To get back to the home page, you click here. You can also go through the shop tab. So this shows categories as well. If you need tools and accessories, or specifically weave right tools, it'll bring the weave right tool section right up. You can go through again and click the different variations, see the pictures change, and make all your side-by-side comparisons here, rather than having to click through multiple tabs. So this magnifying glass is a search bar, and that'll be on every page. And what's great about this is you type in 24-inch, and everything starts to populate that's 24-inch. So say we need 24-inch modern cane webbing, that comes right up. You'll see 2x1, 2x2. The pictures will change the differences, and a lot of the time we have multiple pictures, so you can see more in depth, views of that cane or of that product as well. So the shop tab is great for that, going through reeds and splints. That brings up all the reeds and splints here, and these are the subcategories. So as you click into them, you'll see, there's different variations and options, and the pictures will change as well. Going back to the home tab, this is also a search bar. We put 2, a nice big one on the front page and the smaller one that's on every page. And this one works the same way. So if I need fine, 1/2-inch webbing, just by typing in fine, anything with fine will come up, which is an awesome feature. And what's nice about this too is the discounts are built in automatically. So they begin at 10 feet or 120 inches, and you don't want to click this plus 120 times. So you can just come in here and make that 120. And you'll see as I add this to the cart, it'll show you 10% off your purchase of 10 feet. And it took that price from $1.05 per inch down to 95 cents. So you can proceed to checkout, pay a variety of ways with Google Pay, Shop Pay, PayPal, and we just added Amazon Pay. As you proceed to your checkout, it'll have my information saved in here. The first time it may send a confirmation code to you. So I just got one sent to my phone, and that's just for security purposes, and you should only have to do that once. So put that in. And now if you're going to use a promo code, this is where you type it in right here. So the discount code or gift card. So 5 off is one of the ones we've been sending to subscribers. So you could apply that. And sometimes if it's got certain discounts in there, it may already, be linked and not be able to use. But if I wanted to use one like H Perkins 10, for instance, I could apply that, and that one does work with other discounts. So certain codes work with pre-baked discounts and other ones don't. And we'll do a good job of sending that in the emails to let you know which one's which. But you can see it deducts it minus 1860. If you want to sign up for the newsletter, you can do that on this screen as well, or you can even check out as a guest. And then this right here, you can see as I move towards it, it'll hyperlink with the cursor. I click on that, brings me back to the main tab. There's also the blog tab. And so you can see some of the great blogs we've been writing on Danish cord, Zen rocks, installing cane webbing into cabinet doors, and a picture of my mom and I welcoming everyone to the site. And then if you want to look more into the blogs, just click read more, and you can see some of the great information we've been putting in our blog posts. If you need to get a hold of us too, you could send it out this way with a contact us, and it'll go right to our emails and somebody will answer it right away. Or you could call us or email us this way, and both of these are linked as well. So going back to the homepage, if you want to come shop with us in store, it's always 10% off. We have a nice about us video. We've been in business since 1917, and a map of how to get to the store, as well as some of the featured products currently on the site. And you can add those straight to cart or select options when there's variations. Some popular weaving materials right now, and then some great reviews from our customers. We really love seeing these on the site and appreciate it so much to everybody, who wrote us a review on Google. Thank you. Thank you so much. And we have some quick links down here, FAQs. If you, want to find out more information, what is cane, what is reed, what is fiber splint, certain, when do I know which cane to use? There's some great information in here as well as some charts. And then, like I said, these ones here at the top, shop tab is great if you want to search that way for categories. It's also on the side. The mobile device, viewing the site on there is also excellent. The way that it's set up is really designed for the phone. So you can also click on one of these links if you want to see our Pinterest. It'll bring you right to our Pinterest page where we're a verified merchant, and we've been posting some information on there as well. And all these are linked. So, and if you want to go back to the home page, everything here, as I said earlier, is a category. So there will be subcategories, for instance, shaker tape. And we really tried to make everything on the same page so you can do that side-by-side comparison. And if something is out of stock, it'll have an X on it right here. So you'd know that one's out of stock, because we don't want to sell things, that we don't have in store, obviously. And so if you want to add shaker tape, rather than click the plus, you can, if you want to have 10, but a lot of people get more than 20 yards. So say you need 39 yards, you would just add that to the cart by typing it in. And you can see that discount, everything's loaded up if you need to continue shopping. Also has some recommended products based on what you bought. And like I said, if you ever need help with anything, contact us 203-787-1123 or email us at info@hhperkins.com. The home tab will always get you back. And then if you want to see the My Account tab, It will have your, previous orders on here, so you can see what you got in the past. And yeah, if you have any questions, just reach out to us anytime. But we really appreciate the feedback we've been receiving about the website. We want to thank you all so much for coming over from the old site, and for all the new customers who have been signing up with us. We really want to thank you as well. So give us a call or email us if you have any questions. Remember, everything's broken up by category. So if you need flat reed, flat oval reeds, round reeds, it'll be in the reeds and splints. If you need pre-twisted natural rush, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 6 to 7 millimeter, that'll all be here as well. And then every category is here. And the search tabs, I'm a really big fan. The fact that it populates when you type in fine, anything you want, that's fine. If you want plastic strand cane fine, it'll bring you right to it. So that's a cool feature too. And let us know if you have any questions. This brings you right to your cart, and we hope you all have a wonderful weekend. And thank you so much for thinking of H.H. Perkins. Take care.